I'm Paul Kanan, and we are bringing the Take It From the Top workshop to you again this summer. Our program is designed to take the artist, the Broadway hopeful, the dreamer in you to a totally new level. We'll be working on skills that go into being a performing artist. Our workshop is a little bit different because all of our faculty are Broadway working professionals who know what it takes to make it in this business. Our classes are small, so there's a lot of one-on-one mentoring. You also get to hear the behind-the-scenes stories of what it's like to work on Broadway. So join us. I promise you'll have a blast as we bring you a little bit closer to achieving your dream.